Hello everyone, today's video is a Victoria's Secret bag unboxing. A Victoria's Secret bag unboxing, as well as I want to share a couple of Victoria's Secret SLGs out of my collection with you guys. So basically a while ago I did a video and it was a Kurt Geiger video, and I shared a quilted Victoria's Secret wallet, this one right here, and one of my subscribers requested that I show some more Victoria's Secret SLGs and wallets out of my collection. So yeah, go ahead, hit that like button if that's something that you're interested in seeing, and at the end of the video remember to subscribe to the channel as well as hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. So yeah, I wanted to do an unboxing, so I have this Victoria's Secret bag right here that I'm going to be unboxing, and basically it's a Bond Street quilted Victoria's Secret bag. You can kind of see her through the bag, and this is the way she came to me, and I haven't unpackaged or anything her yet, so I wanted to do the reveal as well as share the SLGs that my subscriber requested. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's jump right in. So this Bond Street Victoria's Secret bag has been around for a while. It's been around for a while. I'm sure you guys have seen it before, and I wanted to add it to my collection because I love the quilted bag. So let's go ahead and take a look at her, and let's get started with the unboxing first. And it's going to be pretty easy to reveal because I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, take her out the plastic. And this quilted beauty right here, I wanted to go ahead and pick her up because I love the quilted bags, and you know, whether they're contemporary or luxury quilted bags, they're all quilted and they're all beautiful, you guys. So I wanted to go ahead and pick this one up. And this is a very affordable price point. So this is what she looks like. And so far, I'm really happy. Let me say that when she came in the mail, I did not expect her to be this large. This quilted bag, when I was ordering it, I noticed that it came in the small size and in this medium size. I don't believe there's a large size. I believe it just comes in the small and the medium. So this is the medium size. Comment down below if it does or if you know. But this is the medium size. Of course, I opted to go with the medium size because I'm 5'8" and I'm a little bit of a thicker girl. So I wanted the larger version of the bag, not the small version of the bag. Although I do have a few smaller bags, like my Kurt Geiger mini Kensingtons. However, this time around, I opted to go with the medium, with the larger version of the bag, because I really wanted to see how this beauty would compare up with my Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Loves and with my Tory Burch Kiera. So I opted to get this version of the bag, you guys, and when it came, I did not expect it to be this large. It's really a nice, large, well-made bag for a contemporary brand. It's really a nice quality bag. The quilting is so nice and so rich looking. You can see it through the camera how delicious that quilting looks, you guys. It's not smushed or smashed or anything. And this bag has weight to it. The chain is pretty heavy. It's a quite durable chain. I love the fact that it's silver and it's, you know, I could use it crossbody, as well as I'll be able to use it as a shoulder bag, and it gives me that plush sound. That plush sound of the chain, you guys. I absolutely love the sound of the chain bags. It comes with a rear back pocket. There's something sticking out right here. Okay, it's just a piece of tissue paper. And it comes with a rear back pocket, and it has the similar interior to like my Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Loves with that interior. It's a really nice interior, you guys, but the quilting on it feels so good. Let me go ahead and take the stuffing out so we can look at the interior of her. Let's go ahead and take the stuffing out. Yeah, I really just wanted to see how this Victoria's Secret quilted bag would compare up with my Kurt Geiger leather bags, as well as with my Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Love and with the Kieras. And so far, I'm quite happy with the results of this. You know, I'm really happy with the way this bag, you know, I think this is gonna work out for me. She's such a beautiful bag. And she has her tag right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take her tag off later, but I'm gonna enjoy this bag over the summer. The blush color reminds me of like a Kate Spade. You know how Kate Spade loves that pink blush color that's so pretty. It's like such a pretty dusty rose or a pretty blush color. This is gonna match up with so many of my SLGs in my collection, and it fits into what I'm doing with my collection of quilted bags, quilted chain leather bags, you guys. So yeah, I think this one is really nice. Let me go ahead and get the dimensions. So she is about 10 inches long and about 7 inches tall. So she's about 10 inches long lengthwise and 7 inches tall. And then she looks like she might be around 2.5 inches wide, about 3 inches wide, 2.5 to 3 inches wide right here, you guys. So, you know, just going off of my memory, I'm gonna go ahead and come back later and probably do some comparisons with other quilted bags in my collection. But so far, this beauty is so pretty with all these delicious quilts, you guys. So that's the first thing that I wanted to do. I wanted to unbox my quilted beauty, the Victoria's Secret Bond Street bag, you guys. And the next thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to go over a few of my SLGs because my subscriber requested that. So this is a Victoria's Secret quilted wallet, and I'll go ahead and put the names of these items down below. But I love the quilting of this wallet. Let's see how it looks with that bag if I matched it up together. So I love the quilting on that. Oh, these are so pretty together. I think that looks really cute. And then, of course, I normally wear some of my Victoria's Secret wallets with my Coach town tote, but this is one of them. And when I opted to get this one, I liked it because I just thought it was so cute because, you know, you could reverse it on either side and wear it with the golden pink, you know, and then this way with the golden pink. And this, it has a cute little heart dangle that's so adorable. Who can resist the heart dangle, you guys, on any SLG? And this is what the interior of it looks like. And I keep all my items stuffed in things when I'm not using them. I try to sometimes even leave on these original little stickers and stuff. If it's on the inside, I don't take that off because I try to keep them new for as long as possible. But look at that beautiful pink in there with the, you know, different card slots. That looks so cute. And then I would normally wear a wallet like this in the summertime with my Coach town tote. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what that would look like. So I might wear it together with this. Just wanted you to see how I would match that up with the gold and the pink, because the Coach town tote has gold tone hardware. And then the next one that I have a couple of, I was going through a spell when I was collecting metallic Victoria's Secret wallets, and this is one of them. I just thought that looked so cute and so mermaid-like pink. You guys, this wallet right here, and it's basically like a snake skin. So this is what the interior of this one looks like. That's what the interior of that one looks like. So cute. And go ahead and put the stuffing back in because, like I said, I like to keep them stuffed when I'm not using them. And this might be a little too much with the town tote, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. Sometimes, you know, it just depends on what look you're going for, but yeah. So that one is really cute. And then another one that I wanted to share was this one right here, another metallic one. And I'm gonna come back later on and do a few more videos on some more of these. I have a few more in my collection, but I didn't want the video to be too long. So then this is how this one would look with the town tote. Very cute. And I don't mind mixing brands like Coach and Victoria's Secret, or Coach and Michael Kors, or Louis Vuitton and Coach. I used to at one point try to stick to, you know, all one line or one brand of a bag or a SLG, but they look so cute paired together. You could wear Coach with Kate Spade. You could wear Coach with Louis Vuitton. It's okay. You know, I know sometimes if you really want to go chic and classic, you might stick to all one line of a brand, and that's fine too. I'm not saying, you know, to go and be all mixed matched, but sometimes you can go ahead and mix up your SLGs. It's okay. So then this could go, you know, I would probably wear that together. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to share a few of my Victoria's Secret SLGs out of my collection because it was requested by a subscriber, and I'm gonna go ahead and link my Victoria's Secret SLG video down below where I have all of them spread out and you can see pretty much all of them, and then I'll come back and do a follow-up video on a few more individually. And thank you for sticking it out with me while I unboxed my beautiful, lovely Coach Bond Street shopper, my Coach Bond Street shoulder bag, and I'll see you again soon in another video.